ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣẹ́ wá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣẹ́ wá yes èmi ò lè ṣe kí n má wo Bisi ológe show èmi ò lè ṣe kí n má wo Bisi ológe show ó ti gbádùn jù o Bisi ológe show ẹ máa wò ó ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀ o àríyá pọ̀ ńbẹ̀ ó ń ṣàn àríyá ń ṣàn Bisi ológe show iyọ̀ ni.
Orúkọ mi ni Oluwatobiloba Ibrahim. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń pè mí ní T-Fox. Àwọn kan máa ń pè mí ní chocolate man.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó tiẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ́ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tiẹ̀ mú kí ẹ̀yàn láàyò.
Ok, nǹkan tí mo ń yàn láàyò gangan ó wá dẹ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ tì ní. Ibrahim Chatta ló sì pé òun ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀lé ẹ̀ kí n wáyé òun sí. So mo kó gbogbo ẹ̀ wọlé ní. Ẹ má wọlé ẹ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ ẹ̀.
Ta ni Ibrahim Chatta jẹ́?
Ó lágbára o. Ok, Ibrahim Chatta jẹ́ sí èmi omi mọ sọ́rí àwọn èèyàn tó kúrò bọ́ sẹ́mi ó dàbí bàbá ó dàbí àwòkọ́ṣe Ibrahim Chatta jẹ́ ẹni tí mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí púpọ̀ gan-an ẹ pé ní gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ṣe mo fẹ́ lè sọ pé tí mo jí lára Ibrahim Chatta ló pé versatility lára àwọn ọmọ ti ṣe.
Kí ni àdúrà yẹn fún wọn?
Àdúrà mi fún wọn ni pé wọ́n máa pẹ́ láyé wọ́n á dàgbà wọ́n á dógùn eléyìí tó ń ṣe ó kéré nínú ọjọ́ tá a ṣe máa celebrate fún wọn máa celebrate ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún pẹ̀lú wọn wà ní celebrate just like that wọn máa celebrate nínú owó nínú ọlá àlàáfíà àti àìkúbálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀.
Orúkọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Oluwatobiloba Ibrahim aka T-Fox.
Sir, can you name to sir?
Yeah, my name is Engineer Adeleke Adekola, MDC Okamude State, Osun State, Ilorin, Lagos State.
Sir, can you tell us the reason why you are here today?
We are here to celebrate our friend, our brother, and a wonderful man, Ibrahim Chatta.
So who is Ibrahim Chatta?
Like I said, he's a friend, he's a wonderful man, he's a brother, he's everything to us.
Can you tell me what you gain from him as a character and generally?
Wow, that's a long story, but to cut the story short, I've gained a lot and we're still on the verge of learning more from him. So that's what we're still doing now.
He's a person you cannot forget.
Of course, definitely not. That's why we're here tonight.
Okay. So, what are you into, sir?
I'm into real estate, like I said. MDC Okamude State. We have in Kwara State, we have in Osun State, and we have in Lagos State. Thank you.
So what can you tell people about the film industry generally?
Film industry generally, yeah, there has been a great improvement in the past, let's say 2-3 years. The improvement is sporadic, I must say. The speed is fast, and we should expect more. We should expect a very high competition against the other film industries in the world.
People outside there, if you want to join you and do business with you, how they can get you or reach you?
Okay, just Google Kamude State. It's going to give you our contacts, our locations, and everything. It's as simple as that. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Tell us what
From me, from our estate. Well, the basis of our company coming up as a real estate firm is for us to allow the masses benefit in the housing scheme. We're looking at putting up, fixing the deficit of the housing units by 2.2% in the next 8 years. We're looking at about 50,000 units in the next 8 to 10 years. So looking at benefits, we are looking at giving you everything that is going to make your lifestyle comfortable. And of course, Rome was not built in a day. It's going to take a while before we can deliver. But we're working fast and we're working with speed to deliver that as soon as we can.
So finally, what's your prayer to Ibrahim Chatta?
Well, I wish him a very wonderful year, and I wish him 100 more wonderful years in good health, wealth, love, care, understanding like he has always been.
For those who don't understand English, please can you speak in Yoruba now?
Wow, orúkọ mi ni Engineer Adeleke Adekola, èmi ni olùdarí iléeṣẹ́ Kamude State. Ó wà ní Èkó, ó wà ní Kwara State, ó dẹ̀ wà ní Osun State. So wíwá tàwa síbi àwa ṣe àjọyọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀gbọ́n wa, ọ̀rẹ́ wa, then alábàágbé wa, brother Ibrahim Chatta, tẹ́ni jẹ́ ọjọ́ ìbí wọn.
So kí lẹ lè sọ nípa wọn?
He's a brother, ẹ̀gbọ́n, gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ ọmọ ìyá is everything. Gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn lè rò dáadáa nínú ọmọ èèyàn nínú ọmọlúàbí, that is what he is to us.
àwọn ènìyàn fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ yín, báwọn náà ṣe lè darapọ̀ mọ́ yín.
Ẹ bá fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, àwa nífẹ̀ẹ́ kí a máa ran àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ láti di onílé di onílẹ̀ ní ìrọ̀rùn tí ò ní pa wọ́n lára rárá. Nítorí bẹ́ẹ̀, so tẹ́ bá fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, kẹ́ lọ sí Google, kẹ́ check Kamud Estate, àbí tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ ẹ máa rí àwọn numbers wa, ẹ máa rí website wa, Instagram handle, Twitter, Facebook and everything is there, so you can communicate with us from there. We will definitely get back to you.
ìjà àwọn olówó kéékèèké tí wọ́n sì fẹ́ ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó wò wọ́n rẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wọ́n lè ní àǹfààní láti.
Why not? Gbogbo èèyàn ní àǹfààní yẹn wà fún, àtàwọn olówó kéékèèké àtàwọn olówó ńlá náà, gbogbo wọn làǹfààní wà fún, kò sẹ́ńtọ́ lọ́wọ́ ò dáadáa.
so kí ni àdúrà yẹn fún Ibrahim?
Well, àdúrà mi fún wọn ni pé igba ọdún kan ni nínú ọlá, nínú ìlera àti àìkúbálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ ṣé gan.
orúkọ ilé ẹ̀kọ́ sí.
Abdulmujib Adekola Adeleke. I'm an engineer, olùdarí Kamud Estate.
ẹ ṣé gan.
Yes.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.